एक बात बिल्कुल निश्चित है। एक विशेष ऊर्जा की प्राप्ति होती है, एनर्जी है।
A special energy, a special strength.
दुनिया के सारे भजन
Kirtan one side and Hare Krishna Mahamantra Kirtan on the other. Krishna Mahamantra.
हमारे सुंदर
Our sings Mahamantra, he can sing in so many melodies.
अपना स्वाद है।
So much meaningful lyrics are there. But when it comes about, there is a separate bliss, a specific bliss inside.
ये संकीर्तन कहाँ से आया जानते हो?
Do you know from
जैसे अगर कोई पूछे प्रो मैक्स को सेपरेट कलर वाला तो ये इस संसार का है ना?
this world or which world? It is of this world.
स्वर्ग का है।
But Harinam Sankirtan, is it of hell? It's of Shivlok, Brahma is Vaikuntha. It is Goloked Premadhan.
हरि नाम संकीर्तन गोलोक प्रेम ये गोलोक वृंदावन से
This is wealth of that place.
कौन वहां के हैं?
In Golok.
श्री राधा माधव जी।
Shri Radha Madhav ji lives there.
एक हो जाते हैं।
This is such a great level of love. Shri Krishna also has so much love. More condensed love than Krishna also. And when they both unite, then that so it is Goloka Eva Nivasati.
ये वहां से यहाँ लेकर आए और हम लोगों को ऐसे बांट दिया।
So the from there to here,
कोई इसकी सीमा नहीं है।
and he distributed, and that's why Shri Yashoda Maiya also she performed this Sankirtan. What is? Will you hear Damodar Mantha Hari Katha? It is very heart touching and someone told me, what should I? How can I give you? My heart is very impure. Why? Because we are the garbage collector. We are. Even if your heart is impure, give us. A guru plays so many roles. He drives and takes you from one place to another place.
दूसरे देश से
who
जाता
takes you from one country to another country.
है और
And all the roles of this world.
ऐसी वो एक जमादार
He cleans.
और वो सफाई कैसे करता है
And how he cleans?
कभी प्रेम दिखलाकर
Sometimes through the show of anger,
और कभी प्रेम
sometimes by chastisement, and sometimes by affection. Will understand from love, and which disciple will understand from just dear chastisement, and he can run away. And once he is staying, and when he, I will not leave him. Then you know what Guruji says? Then Guruji brings out sword.
एक चीज को काटते हैं
He cuts.
क्या काटते हैं
What he cuts?
नॉट
When there is tumor in cancer, we get a knot. So when that knot is there, then what is the treatment?
कीमो
Chemotherapy is there. Laser.
और गुरु जी भी फिर कीमो करते हैं
Then Guruji also do chemotherapy.
जैसे कीमो करते हैं
How he do that chemo? Sant eva chindanti man.
अपने पास
He shows love and he brings him closer, and he
इसलिए सब
through his
सबका
words.
treatment अलग-अलग होता है सबका ट्रीटमेंट एक जैसा नहीं होता
gets treated similarly.
अगर
If you go to the hospital, the doctor will not give what is the sugar level, what is the blood pressure level, everything. You cannot give the same medicine to. So the biggest medicine to clean the heart is given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is Cheto the mirror of a heart, how it gets cleaned.
आ जाओ बाल लीला
Now
विश्राम कर रहे हैं और यशोदा मैया
in this month only, Kanhaiya churning
40 साल
curd.
आपने देखा
30-40 years back, I have my they used to take a earthen pot and then keeping curd inside that, they used to churn
जिसको
it.
आप लोग
To gym and do the same movement to keep your body fit, and they had this natural gym. It's not an easy task.
यशोदा मैया दधी मंथन करती
Yashoda Maya, she used to churn the Brajavasis, whichever Brajavasi, they cannot actually live without Krishna. Their life is not there in front. So they want something related to Kanhaiya, otherwise they become like of Kanhaiya. If Kanhaiya is not present, what is Kanhaiya's identical thing? That is Krishna's holy name. If we just keep all the happiness and opulence, in fact, if we just keep the whole Vaikuntha on one side of the balance compared to Shri Krishna's holy name, he said that if the whole Vaikuntha is like how much money we'll have? Trillions and trillions of money.
और वैकुंठ में तो इतना सुख और इतना
So much happiness, so much opulence is there that it cannot be described. It's filled with so many rare jewels. What to speak of Vaikuntha? In Tirupati, and ornaments, it's all diamonds and diamonds. So much. If you just see and go to Tirupati, then what to speak of Vaikuntha? And is sold, then it is not equal to one Krishna Naam also. Why? Is nothing superior than this. From this only, the diamond. This is the process and this is the goal. It is not that one. So there's a point we should not hit here. We have cab of ours. It's a sadhan. Can you understand this? Give up the taxi. It's not that we take the driver or the taxi with us. Nobody remembers. Is that kind of a sadhan? It's like that practice, which is the goal also. Why? And that's why all the Brajavasis, they cannot really live separation from Krishna to satisfy or to specify that here Kanhaiya is sleeping and outside Maiya is churning the curd. Kanhaiya. Why? Because this naughty, mischievous Kanhaiya, if he wakes up, then he will not finish all the work while he is sleeping. Now, at the time of with so much love and affection, and Kanhaiya, he is not even Maya, what she do? She just put like a handful of so many maid servants are there in the make butter for Kanhaiya. She herself do all that. And Kanhaiya, he has not yet opened his mouth, but at this very Maya, she just puts a handful of butter in the mouth of Kanhaiya. Comes inside the body, and then Kanhaiya wakes up. He opens his eyes, and when according to Krishna, as per the schedule of Krishna, if Krishna he closes his eyes, then the sun rises. If Krishna is desiring to eat something, then in winter season, one really likes to eat a lot. When the food is very so the season changes as per the desire of Kanhaiya. Krishna wants to summer season will come. If Krishna he gets ready, Shringar, when he goes into the forest. So all the seasons are with folded hands standing in front of Krishna to and everyone wants to serve him. Everyone is very restless and greedy to serve him. So Maya, when she is churning the curd, what is the purpose? That be fed to Krishna. Now, when Maya is doing Dadhi Manthan, churning the curd, the ears, and she is nicely hearing the music and churning. That's why it is said, Golokera Premadana Harinam Sankirtana Maya. What Paramagaveti Govinda Ramo Govinda Ramo Paramagaveti Govinda Ramo Govinda Ramo Paramagaveti Govinda Ramo.
ये तो यशोदा मैया जब गाय का ऐसा
They sing.
वो क्या करती है?
What they do?
घर की सफाई करते हैं
While cleaning,
सेवा करते हैं
while serving the husband,
अपने बच्चों को इस परफॉर्मेंस दिलाते हुए और शब्द जुड़ जाता है
in their
जाते क्या
singing, one more word gets added.
उसी नाम में ही
In that holy name,
मैया को कृष्ण
it's proximity of Krishna. Why?
नाम
In that name, it's Purna Shuddha Nitya Mukta Abhinatva
नाम
Nama.
और नामी में भेद नहीं
There is no difference. Maya is getting the association of Krishna. She is getting proximity.
एक बार नारद जी ने भगवान से
Once
पूछा, प्रभु
Narad ji asked the Lord, "Oh Lord, to meet you, where should I go? Where should I find you?" Narad ji said, "Oh, I think Vaikuntha.
मैं वैकुंठ में नहीं
I do not live in Vaikuntha."
तो जो योगी
Oh,
आपको
so
ध्यान करते
heart. The Lord says, "No, Nacha Yogi Hridayam."
भगवान कभी योगी
The Lord stays in the heart of devotees. Sadhu Hridayamayam. Janante Naham Tevyo Maram.
भगवान
Heart of sadhus, not in the heart of yogis.
किस
Why not?
पद्धति से भगवान को दर्शन करते हैं
Of the Lord through meditation, through yoga,
और अपने हृदय में
and in their
एक
heart
अग्नि को देखते हैं चतुर्भुज भगवान को
they have darshan of a four-handed form of inside the fire. This is how the yogis have darshan. But the devotees here,
ठाकुर जी को गरम
fear of giving hot milk to Thakurji, that may Thakurji's mouth does not burn. Cool it down a little bit and then give to the Lord. So the devotees here are thinking so much Lord, and the yogis, they are seeing the Lord sitting in the fire. Heart of yogis, and not just reside, he actually gets binded in love. How he gets binded?
मयि निर्बन्ध हृदया साधु
मयि निर्बन्ध
संरक्ष्य।
हृदया साधु संरक्ष.
वश्य कुर्वन्ति मद् अपने मुख से कह रहे हैं।
The Lord is saying from His own mouth, this is not my words.
भगवान कहते हैं मेरे
The Lord
भक्त
says, what is that rope which can bind the Lord?
या तो वो रस्सी का नाम पड़ गया दामोदर,
That's why he got this name
और
Damodar.
या वो रज्जु
Or
रस्सी हो राधा
that
रानी
rope,
के
garland
उससे बनते हैं।
that is made by
और
Radharani's
इन दोनों
hands.
रस्सियों में एक
So
ही
in
form है।
these,
यशोदा मैया का वात्सल्य
Yashoda Maya has parental affection and Radha Ji's also is like love, but there is a little difference. A motherly affection and a beloved. You, which is superior, you all will say motherly affection is superior. Say mother's affection is greater than beloved's affection. How many of you will say that the wife's affection is greater than the mother's?
क्या बात है, पत्नी और करवा चौथ अब जो हाथ ऊपर कर रहे हो ना, भावना को
Those of you are raising the hands, it might be that you are saying, but if we consider the words of scriptures, then
वात्सल्य भी जुड़ा हुआ है।
motherly affection hidden inside this. There are 4 main moods of Vrindavan: Sakhya, Vatsalya and Madhur.
एक पत्नी
A
पति की
wife,
सेवा करती है,
she serves her mentorship mode also, Dasya Ras also.
सखा भी है।
The wife is also the best friend of her husband. The husband. So there is a friendship mood as well for her husband. For example, the child. Now, the wife, she still has so much affection, like a motherly affection as well. She always keeps that, oh, my husband has got late. Oh, what, something has happened. Of Vatsalya Ras and Madhur Ras, we find that the Madhur Ras is superior. But the mother cannot do that, sir. The wife can provide love to husband, mother cannot provide. So, Shri Radha Ji, all other moods is present inside Madhur Bhav. So that's why, where Yashoda Maya, she binded Kanhaiya with a rope. Now you would say that it is very difficult to open the bondage by a flower garland. It is very easy to break it. It is not very strong. It's very... but the rope cannot. But here it is opposite. When Radha Ji, she applies, nobody can break it. What to speak of anyone? Swayam Krishna, Shyam Sundar himself cannot break it. Radharani. For example, Bhavara, bumblebee. You have seen insect can actually pierce in his mouth. But when bumblebee sits on a beautiful lotus flower and drinking the nectar. Now this bumblebee cannot even pierce this soft and tender lotus petal or pierce the whole big branch of the tree, but that bumblebee cannot actually be lotus flower, lotus petals. Why? Because he is absorbed in a nectar. Break the bondage created by love. We all are bounded. We are all bounded. Wife, husband, bounded by the children. This is the bond. There is another bondage, and that is the bondage of Thakurji. Lord said, I do not reside in the heart of you. Bhakt Jatra Gayanti. Gayanti means chanting the holy name, the place, oh Narad, I reside there. So no need to go to the where he will be available, where Naam Sankirtan is happening, distributed and donated in the whole world. How? Mahaprabhu collecting all Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Ram Ram. Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Hare Ram, ये वही नाम जो this is that name which Yashoda Maiya is doing from her wombs. Eyes, and he came out and he's finding Maiya is churning the butter, churning the curd. It's churning, and that sound is like dhik-tan, dhik-tan, dhik-tan. That churning, dhik-tan, means five body and has not performed bhajan of the Lord. And the one who has performed Krishna bhajan, so that life is successful, fortunate. Five on what? Okay, everyone admitted this. We are 5 on our life if we have not performed this bhajan. Actually teaching in that stop her churning, there are 3 options. Either he would hold match that churning machine.
और कन्हैया ने क्या किया?
Now, what Kanhaiya wooden mathani that is used for churning. Now, saying this, son, he is so smart and intelligent that if he would have caught my elbow, he would have, and his hand would have got hurt. Palm. Oh, he's so smart that he caught. Now, Maya left churning of the curd and she kept Kanhaiya. Now, Maya became so much overwhelmed even more, and she loved milk naturally started flowing from her breasts. From the eyes,
और कन्हैया को दूध पिला रहे हैं।
now she is
अब दोनों में
feeding Kanhaiya. Now, Kanhaiya is drinking and Maya is providing. Our Gurudev used to tell that so much vatsalya that she can infinitely provide milk. And Kanhaiya also, there is a competition,
दोनों में कोई हाथ
like who will give more milk and who will drink. Go on for infinite time. And in Vrindavan, when we talk about this, you know who wins? Gets defeated. He gets defeated in front of Sakha, Maya, and in front of Gopis. He just he never has actually folded hands in front of Sakha. Although now Sridham just give a nice punch and everything and just defeat Krishna very easily. Donkey to become a horse and I will climb on you. Never folded his hand in front of them. Kanhaiya in front of Yashoda ji also, he running like anything but Maya catches him. He always speaks lie but Maya catches him. But attitude, he never fold his hand. He has folded hands only in front of Radhaji. The conversation is very different. If there is an argument also, then Radha there comes a place called Kosi. Why this place got this name Kosi? You know why? Okay, here. This is that area which goes till Agra. Now, in that no more, that is the mental hospital. So, anyway, Kunj, Krishna wants to enter the Kunj, but the door is closed. Now, Kanhaiya asks, Kosi, Kosi. Kosi means who is there? Who is there outside? So that's why it got the name. Lord's one name is Hari as well. That's Radhaji said Hari. A tiger, and I am very much afraid of tiger. And there is another. He comes and he will steal everything. So I will not open the door. Door. Radhaji says, Kosi, Kosi, who is there? Oh, Madhusudan is there. Madhusudan is the name of a bumblebee, like a honeybee. So, oh, honeybee? Oh, you are very strong in bite. Door. Now Krishna is speaking another name of himself and he is just And then there is Kokilavan nearby. You know Kokilavan? Kokil means a cuckoo sings. In Kokilavan, which cuckoo bird sings? Krishna. Imitating like a cuckoo bird. Coo-hoo. Coo-hoo. Show me. Someone is speaking like a cuckoo bird and others are speaking like a crow. And how a crow says, how a crow says, and the cuckoo bird also is radius. The voice of cuckoo bird is. In Faridabad also we get to hear. Poor Kanhaiya, whole night he is doing kuhu kuhu, being a cuckoo bird, like a cuckoo bird. But Bhandervan, where Krishna is saying, hey, is there anyone in front of Sakhas? He is just showing so much pride. So that's why so much boasting oneself, boasting about oneself. They kept Radhaji in front of Krishna. The Krishna started sweating a lot. Oh, will wrestle. Now, when he saw Radhaji just gave a one sidelong, not straight also, that too sidelong. So in front of a guru, restless and sweat, he starts sweating out of fear. And you know the power of that saying, that when Radhaji attacks with her sidelong glance, Kanhaiya Venukaran Nipatitam Skalitam Shikandam, and the peacock feather that he had accepted also falls on the ground. And then he wears what? A very beautiful pitambar, that is the falls off. And then he himself actually falls on the ground being fainted. Tell me, who is the winner? And still Krishna is not ready to accept the defeat. He says, oh, I won, obviously. Radhaji said, hey, how you won? Krishna says, on the ground. So Krishna's nose is up and Radhaji is standing up and looking down towards Krishna. Giving this excuse that, see, who is superior? Who has won? You are useless. This topic is useless. The logic is making no sense. You have actually. They started clapping for Radha Rani. Side of Radhaji, they will clap. People sitting behind there saying we are from the party of Kans. In wrestling also he gets defeated, and when the point of love is the topmost, it's the highest, in front of the love phase of his senses, he bows his head down, and in front of him he says one thing: I have folded my hands in front of you. has folded his hand in front of Radha Ji's love that I have accepted my defeat. Yashoda Maya, she is feeding Kanhaiya with so much milk, but at that same moment, in her eyes, there is milk on the stove, and that one thing. In that transcendental Vrindavan, everything that is there, emotions. See, this mic is there, it has any mood. If I slap, emotions, it is material. But Vrindavan, nothing is material. It has a mood, has emotion, is conscious, and the mood is to serve Krishna. My life has gone waste because Prabhu is drinking Maya. Then what will happen? I will not be able to. So, what should I do? I should suicide. I should just come out and fall. Yashoda Maya saw the moods of that milk. Krishna could not see. There, the milk, which is a devotee, which is ready to give up his life of Krishna. So my life is useless. I should give up my life. Not run to protect that milk. Maya, she just uh, shooed away Kanhaiya, and she ran like anything. Apply you in the service of Kanhaiya, because God, you understand this. Para dukhe dukhe, a devotee. The Lord cannot really understand. Yashoda Maya, she is able. Krishna is not able to. So that's why, where should one run? Everyone runs towards running towards his devotee. So there are two directions. We, Lord himself is running towards his devotees, so it's best to run towards his devotee only. Because behind his devotee, this is our Guruji. Behind him the Lord runs. You will not think that, oh, Lord will be available there. But no, by the association of devotees only the Lord uh, run is even faster. So, you say, Maya has hair braid. No. The flowers in the hair of Maya, they are thinking, should not be on the head of Maya, but at the lotus feet of Maya. She is displeasing Kanhaiya to protect a devotee. So, appreciation, they are falling and at the lotus feet of Maya. Now Maya, she ran like anything. Drink my milk anytime, but the milk that is there on the stove, bad. It will get waste if it comes out like this. So now when what? Maya loves milk more than me because he Yeah, Maya is far-sighted. That, oh, I have to make sweets for you. Very upset. What? How is this possible?
क्रोध एक नेगेटिव टर्म है ना,
Anger is something negative, right? Has some negative things. The devotees also have anger.
मेरे सामने आ जाना पता लगा।
No. Anger is there or not?
क्रोध नहीं था।
Hanumanji, he burnt the. It was anger, but he did not get any fault by because it was for the service of not just one house, and Hanumanji is still glorified. So Maya, Kanhaiya got very upset and he just broke the earthen pot. Got so angry. Oh Kanhaiya, I hear so many complaints about you all the time. Now I will not leave you. She just takes a stick in her. Kanhaiya said, oh, today Maya will not leave me. I should run. Now Kanhaiya is running to save his life, and behind Maya is running. Our Guru Vargas gave an example like there are like it seems like a small cloud is there and it is running. Of the same complexion, Yashoda Maiya is also blackish complexion as that of Kanhaiya. Running like anything. Now Kanhaiya thought, if I'll just go outside, tie her veil in front of the elderly people outside. So Kanhaiya just came out and she just caught the hand of Kanhaiya. She said that I knew what was your plan. So this is a thing that both mother and son, they know each other. The boy also they understand by seeing the face of Maya. Oh, stand through by face reading of the boy. So this is the connection. Stick in her hand. Now Kanhaiya is shivering like anything out of fear. He has got trembled so badly. He might get very sleep also at night. So she just kept the stick outside and she thought that I will just. Why? Are you monkey or what? You steal so much? Kanhaiya said, yes, yes. You say I am a monkey. I am not a steal. I am not a thief. I get complaints. Why you are going to others' house? Call me a thief. No, why? You are a thief. You steal butter from others' house. Maya, in your house, in your family, in your ancestors. He heard from Nand Baba that the uncle of Yashoda. So everything has to be spoken at a particular place. Now, Yashoda ji ever, but he keeps a deposit of what to speak when, time, place, circumstance. brought this secret out that, oh, I know about your uncle's name. So I thought that, oh, if I laugh, then Kanhaiya will get diluted. Like he will get. Now Kanhaiya said, and you told me a monkey stays in the forest. I will also go and stay. Now Maya, her heart melted. Oh, what he said, my Kanhaiya, he will leave to actually scold him because he is also being very sensitive right now. Uh, go, what will happen? Oh, I will not scold. I will not chastise Kanhaiya now. And clean the floor and everything. But right now he's very angry. He may leave. And he is very upset also. He looks upset. So Maya thought that I will just bind him somewhere. Anger will get pacified and then I'll open the bondage. Maya, she just dragged Kanhaiya. Is where big demons and yogis cannot catch the Lord, cannot hold. Who is greater, Maya or Kanhaiya? Maya. Kanhaiya is not Salya, parental affection, motherly moods. It's much higher and condensed. Now, so many Matajis are here. If you bind your child, uh, you can bind anywhere. But Maya has no problem with Kanhaiya. This is the mode of Maya. For example, example of Vedas. No, Shashna. Aprokshivad Vedoham. What is the meaning of Maya brought a very bitter medicine. Oh my son, eat this medicine. Okay. See, if you will eat this, you'll get a chocolate. In fine. He just closes his nose and he just drink that medicine. Maya is not either to give the medicine, neither to give the chocolate, nor medicine. What is the purpose of Maya? To cure her child. So that's why these pastime, it's very blissful. His that he has, I need to correct him. So the Maya, she wants to bind with the grinding mortar. Why with the grinding mortar? Get binded by the grinding mortar, then his khal means khal means mischievous. Khal means mischievous. So that nature of creating nuisance. So this is like and the nature of Kanhaiya is khal. So if I will bind him with okhal, that is mischievous. So it is. You can understand the essence of it. Okhal is the grinding mortar, and khal is the with ukhal, so his khal nature will be destroyed. Now, out of from her hair, and she started binding Kanhaiya, and uh, the rope became, the thread became 2 finger short. Another thread, and she added that thread. 2 finger short, 2 finger short every time, not 4, not 5 finger. What? My Kanhaiya's waist is so thin, I can just, that 2 finger short is there. It's 2 finger short always. I'm really fearful that something has happened. Why he's not getting binded? And in the meantime, are just controlling their laughter and saying that, oh Yashoda, today one thing, he is not destined to get bound. Now hearing this, Maya became very happy getting binded. It's a good news that Kanhaiya cannot be bound. Oh, may Putana has not entered inside him, because on his mouth, this universe starts saying like some weird things happen. Kanhaiya is thinking, if I will get bounded, then the Supreme Lord who opens, who liberates everyone, he himself got bounded. One side, a stubbornness of the Lord, another side is the stubbornness of Yashoda Maya. Who wins? Always devotee wins over the Lord. Lord. So they both are stubborn. I will bound him. Now Maya, she get completely, and she is not getting tired also. Like she's like, I will bind him. Now seeing such efforts of Yashoda Maya, Kanhaiya with his own, when he accepted that Maya, she became very pacified. Yes, finally. Now you stay bound. Came to Yashoda Maya and said, oh, please open, don't bind him. We were just jokingly used to come. So he does not steal butter. He just is very playful. Maya said, hey, I am binding him, so you are coming to protect him. Just go away. Oh, Yashoda, please open. If you come in between, then I'll bind your kids also. Just go. This is a little child. He will perform playful activities, mischiefs, and all. You like swear on Krishna. You have swear on Krishna. Even speaking, when Maya said swear on their own child, on Kanhaiya, you cannot speak any word. Now everyone just shut their mouth. Changare, Maya, open up, open up. Balramji is very, Maya, open it. And Maya said, eh, who are you? Who are you? Who are you to talk? Kanhaiya said, what do you want to tell about yourself? Oh, I am Shesh. all these kind of dramatic people, they had to come in my house only. Baba is Mahesh and Krishna is Ganesh. So all these dramatic. I'll beat you nicely. Now in front of Maya, nothing will work actually. Maya binds me also. Now Kanhaiya, he started thinking, oh, well, in this situation, I think Maya said, "You stand here like anything," and Maya went inside. Like, oh, he asked, "Oh, please open up." Krishna asked, because if we'll open you, Maya will not leave us. See, this is the bondage created by the. So only a Vatsalya personality can open it. A person who is in Vatsalya. Because the affection of parents is the affection of parents only. The affection of friends is. The gopi is a bondage. The affection of gopis is. Yashoda Maya cannot open the bondage created by Radharani because that is of Madhur Ras. Salya Sakhas cannot open it. The friends cannot open it. Now Sakhas said, we will play like this, no worry. Let's walk. Now Kanhaiya, he's dragging that. He said, oh, let Maya do his work, her work, and we will play with the boys. Now he reached the courtyard. There were two big Ashoka trees. Yamal Arjun tree. Now Kanhaiya is so artistic, very. The two trees which were standing parallelly and very close. Now the grinding mortar, it got stuck from that between area. Now why he is not able to move? Because the grinding mortar is stuck in between. Big Ashoka tree just broke apart. Now this is not a great thing because his mere soft lips. That Putana who had strength, he gave such strong struck to the a great lightning struck. Now Kanhaiya is out from the two Ashoka trees, and now Krishna said, oh, "What is this? Who are you, bhai?" Someone comes out from a stone, like chameleon. We have heard that King Rick came out of it. Now these. Who are you? Krishna asked. Oh, we are the cursed child. Narad ji. Now Kuber is the treasurer. And they are the son of Kuber. Now Krishna asked how you became. Tell about that. Oh, don't be shy. Openly tell me everything. See, if they would have been shy, so it's best to open up. Now, taking bath completely nude in a pond with some and Narad ji was passing, chanting the holy name of the Lord. So see, this instrument Veena, so how pure and spiritual atmosphere he is creating, and on the other enjoying with female in the pond. So how is now when Narad ji came, now all those just covered their body because they got so much shy seeing these two boys. They came out of the pond and stood nude in front of Narad. Even started abusing Naraji. Hey, did you not find any other place? You had to come from the enjoyment. Now Naraji scanned them. Hey, what kind of people they are? He is doing, they're doing such abominable activities. Kuber is so. The two boys of him, they are like this. Why? Because they have a pride. Son, he is very wealthy guy. Hey, this is a greed. This is a pride. In whole Faridabad, you know. So, pride of birth that, oh, we are the son of Kubera. Then third, youthful people, they have so much pride. Oh, I am so smart. So the teen stays till 19. After 19, the teen is not. Only makeup can protect you. So stay still can help you till 60, 70, and then some procedures come in. When 80, 90 years age, then will makeup or any surgery will have. Nothing will be fruitful. And in the hand, having earrings on, branded. And that too branded. Louis Vuitton. Wearing these branded things. There is a shlok through which I am saying this thing. Wearing all these things. So all these golden bangle and diamond earring, when she is alive, then only. Mandanam Lokaranjanam. तो बेटा कब तक अभिमान जाएगा? अभी तो टीन है थोड़ा. So you are teen, you are looking very beautiful, you are youthful, but till when you can stay? Who will see you? No one will see you. So that's beautiful form, beautiful face and body, but in front of Lord. That's why birth, opulence, wealth, beauty. Narada ji, he sang and gave a curse. So tell me one thing. Then curse. But Narad ji, he cursed not in anger. That's why that curse was not really a curse, because curse comes out in anger. But Does anyone say like this? Oh, I want you to die with a very happy and smiling face. Go and die. You should get destroyed. With so much anger. With very soft tone, very happily he said, oh, you are standing free. Now Narad ji sang this curse. So you come with us in Gokul, I will give you that is where these pastimes happened. Now Narad ji cursed these two personalities so fortunate because the demigods also cannot enter into Vrindavan. Cursed, and in that courtyard they got birth. Courtyard they must have not seen. They must have seen the playful activities of Kanhaiya with Sakhas. So many times Kanhaiya must have stole. So many times they have got darshan of Krishna, touch of Krishna. So this is a curse. So they have got darshan of Krishna. They got the mercy of Krishna. Now, Nalakuvera Manigriva, they said that this tongue, which was these hands, we did many bad activities. Pleasure with opposite gender, but right now may this head just bow down in front of your devotees only. So like this, two those who were bathing nude position of reaching Golok. Why? Because Bhakt, as the Lord is independent, in the same way it can enter in anyone's heart and sit. That Bhakti will not see that you are a terrorist. She will not see that you have उलट नाम जगत जन जाना. We have the life history of Valmiki ji, what he used to do in his previous life, what people he used to loot people. Such person also can become a devotee. Of such people also, she is not dependent on anything, not dependent based on quality. वंश की विदुरस्या याद पते उग्रस्य तीन वर्षा भक्ति दुष्ट भक्ति नहीं मिलेगी. हाँ तो भक्ति मिलेगी. One will not beautiful to get bhakti. If this would have been the case, then how Kubja got the Lord? In the market, if you see, she is bended in three ways. She asks someone, oh, you look very beautiful, boy. You please marry with me. Who is hunchbacked? And when she walks in a three-bended way. Accept that proposal? No. And the Lord, when he came in front, accepted at once. Why? Because the Lord says, I never watches the form. I am already so beautiful. How you are beautiful attract me. All wealth. I don't have any scarcity, which like is you cannot really attract me. Bhakti is independent. Bhakti does not enter with personality. Manigriva and Nalaku, where they reached Golok Vrindavan as a snake. Now, when the trees fell, hearing that big sound, oh, what happened? What happened? Baba saw Krishna is on the opposite direction. Now, Sakhas, they got really scared. They didn't have any. Next day, Maya would bind that person only. Now, Nanda Baba said, tell me, who binded? Like in a controlled voice, oh, Maya actually binded. Now, where is Yashoda? Where is Yashoda? Now, seeing this particular vision, Maya got so scared. Now Maya started crying. Oh, what did I do? What would happen? What would we would have done? With so much pain, with so much by the will of the Lord. And if something would have happened, if these trees would have fallen on Kanhaiya, what would have happened? Continuously. Now seeing Maya crying like this, Nanda Baba, his anger started crying. And when Kanhaiya saw this, now Kanhaiya also started crying. Now the perverted. Now Nanda Baba, he is your Maya is calling you, go. Now Kanhaiya, he just hold Baba. Oh Kanhaiya, go. Your Maya is calling. No, I will not go. Will you never go? No, I will never go. You will drink? I will drink cow's milk. With whom you will play? Oh, I'll play with my sakhas, my friends are. I will never go. I will never go to her. I will never go to her. And then, and Maya, she continuously cry and she dies. What will happen? She. This Kanhaiya cannot stop. He just jumped from the lap of Baba, ran yelling out Maya, 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 and he embraced so tightly. And Maya started crying. The Abhishek of Kanhaiya, and Kanhaiya also started crying so much, weeping like this. Observing this, they all started weeping, crying. That what is this? It's never observed anywhere at such. That Maya was binding Kanhaiya. What was the purpose? Why two fingers? to bind Kanhaiya. First is our endeavor, and second is the mercy of the Lord properly.
तो बगल में आ सकते
Then only the Lord can come.
दोनों का यदि मैच हो
We are endeavoring and Lord's mercy is not there, or we are just waiting for Lord's things together work.
और कृपा
Endeavor and mercy. Particular pastime.
हम लोगों के लिए शिक्षा के लिए
For us, this is a great teaching that we have chant in my mind only. I don't need beads. I can chant. I don't need beads. The mind should be fine. You should not think bad about others. Oh, your mind is fine. Mind only. Today, Bhandara, you eat from mind.
यहाँ से उतर के नीचे जाना
But
पड़ता है।
the mind,
वो भी क्रॉस लेग आरती पालती
and that too, cross-legged. Now,
वो जब नाचते तो भूख और बढ़ जाती है
Maharaj Ji says to dance also. And then we have to go in the basement and then finally get something hot to eat. Instead of eating properly, you just smell it and say, oh,
दांतों से
ah. And then you have to swallow and then the stomach get filled. So this is end. In the same way, for the Lord also there is the requirement for service of Radha Madhav Ji. Serve something, do some service. Sit here for 3-4 hours. This is endeavor, and from this itself the Lord becomes very satisfied. You should serve some. You should do some service.
नहीं तो कुछ जगह को साफ कर दो
Should clean some area.
ये है चेष्टा
This is endeavors. And
हमारे लिए अगर कोई कुछ करे
if someone do anything for us,
मान लो एक महीने तक आपके लिए
for 1 month, not ask for anything in return. So your heart will not melt or what? Your heart also will melt. Me, but not doing anything in return, like not asking anything in return.
तो फिर भी पत्थर देते हैं।
Soft-hearted, much more soft-hearted,
थोड़ी
like
सी चेष्टा को भगवान
a little bit endeavor, the Lord Damodar Leela. Through this pastime only, this month got this name.
यशोदा
So those in this month only, Yashoda Maiya, Maiya. Hare Krishna.
आज कथा तो यही विराम देते हैं
We conclude today.
मेरी एक शिक्षा
Complain with everyone.
नहीं भी कहूंगा ना सबको
Should I say or not? Even if I'll not want to say, okay, tell me. You tell me. So honest devotees, they are not lying at all.
मैं
Waiting for devotees, someone will come, someone will sit, someone engage in cake. Nobody wants to come before 8. Is there like some schedule? Come late, then I will also leave you late. If you will come on time, I'll also like finish on time.
लो इतनी जल्दी समाप्त करूँ अब देखता हूँ कल परसों परसों
Days.
कौन 6 बजे आएगा कौन 6:30 कौन 7 पूरा
everyone. I know everyone's face. I have cameras there. You will not be able to see this camera behind the like these flower garlands.
परसों 8 बजे आता है ना
So, 8. Oh, what should I say?
कितने बजे आने का सब
What time you all will? Oh, not even 5.
कितने बजे आएंगे
What time?
कौन कौन 6:30 आ रहा है देखो वहाँ हाजिरी लगी है
See, Krishna is watching you there. Who is coming at 7?
कल
Okay. Our devotees, you start Bhandara, the feast at 6. And then 7 to 9 we have Katha.
अब देखो
Now, 6 to 7, those who come, they will get double prasad. Now tell. All glories to Allah.
नहीं आप जब आओ प्रसाद पूरा
It's okay. Whenever
अनुरोध है कि